Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you have a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bagga, no one. I gotta continue glam daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch it in so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Some more people on the Jamaican TikTok block is responding to Cheese and Ivany. Bagga, yes, I say. Uh, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You know how Jamaican people do already. You see, man. I say, so down, I talk up the things, you know what I mean? So, now, definitely not a long introduction. You see, man. Some people, just like and share the video from the open our social media platforms Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get into it. You see me? I'm going to listen to an honest review and then I give my point of view at the end.
Well, as for discipline, we're not telling her all for discipline our culture, right? But as for milestones, these are the stuff that she need to listen to so the baby can reach a milestone. That's all.
Hear that video, yeah. Hear that video, yeah, coming like exactly where we are talking about. Listen to that video, yeah, we're coming like exactly where we are talking about.
Listen, man. When it comes to this Ivany and Cheese saga, I have mixed feelings. It's a double-edged sword. Because first of all, Ivany don't learn nothing. When it comes to advice, Ivany see all the advice and she takes the advice that she wants to take. She doesn't take the right advice, never have, never will. She just takes the advice that she wants to take. Second of all, Ivany, your baby is not even a year old. If you were going to get your breast done, you should have known that you would still have to be picking up that child. It was not a good time. You could have waited. I understand how surgeries go. You see the money now when you want to do it, but you should have made everything clear. Listen, this is what you're here to do. You are here to pick up this baby and to take care of this baby while I take care of this surgery that I'm getting. Because I ain't got no problem with you getting surgery. I've had surgery. I ain't jealous. And on the other side, you don't ever let a woman who never had surgery come fuck with you when you had surgery, because a lot of bitches are jealous. Why would you take Cheese to your house? She's been deported from every country she ever been to.
She's got Ivany.
She don't seem like she ever had a good life. You think she was going to be happy for you? You think she was going to want to help you? I don't care what she's going to do. What she's going to do? Call immigration on me?
But Dad, she's have surgery.
Yes, and she don't know what she talking about.
But Dad, listen to this now. Surgery or work permit. Which one of them more important?
Did you think she was going to be?
Yeah, she's real tight to put her around on that. Surgery ain't nothing.
Have no clothes. So people say, oh, she just gonna spend all this money for surgery and her picking have no clothes. Oh, you not carry your baby. One thing about dirty girl, anytime you carry a girl in your house, you will hear them talking about you where you not even did know. It happened to me too. It happened to me too. I remember I have a girl in my house and she said me no feed me pick me. Mind you, when my picnic goes to her, she pick up what she want to eat. Me no lock fridge. A food me use and comfort my picnic. That's why my picnic don't cry and my picnic get trouble. Because when my
Yeah, let me say something.
Excuse me.
Yeah, do or not do.
my picnic can want me to see the fridge when you're hungry, go over.
Food for comfort picnic, make it make sense. You feel like I eat there.
Let's remember Ivany real quick.
Yeah.
Cheese, you really got this woman here and bring out this woman business with her road. And you add on and you take off and you are chastise her and I call her a bad mother. But you got Barbados to go sell your front. Remember when you got Barbados go sell your front, Cheese? And everybody over there that say you have the big age. I don't know if that's true or not. But you got Barbados to go sell your front and word come out that you over there do. And you make big video talk about, oh, I dance on the front, me I sell same bumbuckler thing. I hears me dance for. Some you don't know. And while you over there sell your front, you catch belly. Me know you catch belly at Barbados. Me know everything about you. But the belly you catch at Barbados, you left your picnic at Barbados. You don't know if you're picking yam from morning, from week, or from year. But you got this woman yard. You got this woman yard. And instead of you come out and you talk about she, you come out and you talk shit about woman picnic. You dirty girl. Yeah, let me tell you something. Me wish me did learn earlier in our life in a fuck with woman. Especially woman when they on your level. Woman with their life hard from the day them born. Woman we can't seem to keep nothing where they get. Woman we always a suffer. A demon on a big demon. A bounce from one country to the next. He's a chronic deportee. Everywhere them dash you way. Nobody don't want you.
But them doing that
Man don't want you, girl don't want you. Immigration no one want you.
one side I bring down that one, next side I bring down one woman. I try them supposed to try for quash it. Why? No, sir. Them only add fire to the fuel doing that.
So a lot of people stay. Because you share here, she's got a woman here and nobody no got nobody here.
Them said don't argue. That them
Yeah, you know how a story go, but you jump in the long time and I say what you want.
But no, Dan, you have to remember that the internet is like this. A lot of people want to get a bus on it.
Yeah, and it's
what
wrong.
you have to do to get a bus. Wait till them see somebody and somebody argue, them just jump and pick a side.
Yeah.
Them just click not on this about
And people have ulterior motive too. She probably know cheese and then just wait it to say something bad.
But yeah, some people are selling straight.
Yeah.
They're not the same thing they have with
Me not gonna tell a lie. Me not gonna tell a lie. When she just start, when I first start to play it and I was listening it, I was like, yes, this woman, like she gonna come with some sense. But she not no sense of blood clot.
But me never see her and then sitting there and she already found me. Never sitting there. So I start about 3 hours stroke and she was a stripper.
Oh, she was a stripper.
Yes.
Nothing is wrong with being a stripper.
them not like
I never see her like getting on about the business. She always talk about herself. So she goes stripping and what happened to she? Me never hear she getting on about the problem. She see her now I'm getting her something.
Oh.
worse
Yeah,
than
she only always talk about herself.
Maybe,
them when they are
come on. Baby, she know all cheese and cheese.
Alright, let me tell you something, it's a big one.
But that's what she said, big one.
You see cheese video them are circulate more. And you see people them will see cheese video and two cheese that deal with the baby wicked, them are come down on cheese hard. Because them don't know where to start from. So I still gonna get all of the blame. And you see, even when them see the other side of the story, it too late, them done already bring her down because them see she bring down the baby. So everybody, that's the people them are gonna look on. And that the people them are gonna look on now because most people we are talking here, they say, cheese girl deal with the baby, so she should not do. And like you say, you see other video? No, I don't see. And that, because guess what? The people them are push the baby video more than the other video them. So the people them are see that more. So them are gonna say she should have dropped, but because remember, you know, up to now, you barely see a video when Ivany talk about cheese.
Because it was so early morning.
That's the difference, you know. They might push one set of video, but they not push one.
Just like how we never know, say, in the early morning, that it a go on, who will
Right.
on the live in the early morning,
Right.
come and say, no, and I saw it go, and I saw it start.
Right.
So,
But Dan, come here, you see me now, me I tell you God Almighty truth. Me not really so like when too much argument dey on TikTok. Me not get nothing my love.
Because everybody have only focus on the two people who argue.
No, I don't really say that true. Me not do no mix up and me not do no review. Me not
Okay,
really do
no,
review and mix up. Cause I guess what you see them there's something there make saltless follow you up, you know. I put in a problem with people, you know.
That's true.
Then every minute you have
You have to go and go suck your mama. No, some of them depend that with nobody.
Dan, you didn't know say a big one.
Thank you, baby. Yeah?
But here what me see with you.
everybody
Aisha.
thought this was the turning point for her,
Yeah.
Dan, because of the baby. And
Yeah,
off
yeah,
in
so
the
things have
beginning,
changed
she
too.
was so attached to him. Oh,
Yeah.
she you understand? Everybody
Oh,
thought
she
this was the
missing.
turning point.
Of course, now she have somebody where she really love. I have her mind for every day when she there incarcerated and them stuff there. So like you say, you know what? You go see the little changes for true.
Me don't know why me usually open pray for her say don't make them do nothing to her and she have her
But
baby.
me know from heaven and earth, Uncle Father, God did have to come down and tell me say, I know Ivany and cheese first I go class. Me say, Monday me talking. Monday me talking. And by yesterday, today was Friday, by Wednesday, that blood clot, me say, Uncle God, me don't know where it come from, me not having a me thought. Like somebody just come to me and say, yeah, I eat a go happen now, you know. I eat a go happen now.
I
Uncle
thought it
God
was
never
a
tell me, say,
prank.
I know two of them first a go clash.
I thought it was a prank, Don. I swear I thought it was a prank.
Yeah, well, all right. When they wake up in the after 2, 2:33, me I say, I've had a cheese. Me jump over cheese live same time. And me I say, this sound real. This personal. This is not a prank, nothing. Come here, say, what if it's a stunt to pull her? By
Yeah.
do it. So me think it's a stunt. When me hear Ivany video them that morning, me say, blood clot, this is not a stunt.
And until when the baby stuff arrived, that's when I'm like, oh no, the gloves are off. This are not surreal. Cause all through the cussing, me I say,
Yeah.
oh,
So
it's
them
it's
so what
it's
you guys think about them calling CPS on her? That's fucked up though.
Right, you see people that will do that way in their
Right.
box, them just a fire. Because you go see Ivany and cheese again. You go see them again. No calculation can clip malice.
And then you know what? If CPS says so much people are call them,
Call them
they
over
are
and
going to
over and over.
vendetta. And they are not going to look at anything because them are going to say, okay, they have a vendetta against this girl, so they keep calling. That means them people here is problem. Them are look. CPI no idiot, you know. Oh.
right.
But me just I say, I wonder if them I say, why different people keep calling?
No,
Different people?
no, them now look on it that way. That's why from morning when me hear people in the box, I say that I don't send up because me did their work.
Oh,
Once
okay.
them see that, them are gonna know say, okay, you think so them not follow social media? Them are gonna look into everything and know say, okay, an argument are going and people just a bit bashful against each other.
Oh,
So
okay.
even if it's true, them are
Yeah.
gonna look on it and say, oh, maybe them just a do that for spite her.
Yeah, them are gonna be like the boy you cry wolf for real.
Yeah, it
Them need to stop.
someone Juliet, I know it work like that, but I'm telling you, if they call them a lot of times, Ivany said they call more than one time and CPS contact her and them drop the case about 10 different times. So you look into that. If them drop case against her about 10 different times, them are gonna keep watching, because once it call upon you, them now stop watch. But if them see it call so many times, them are gonna say, okay. And them internet beef and them are bring things into it. I'm telling them, me have girl call them upon me already in a Florida here because then they with my child father and try be malicious. And when them come on my house, them hear how me talk to baby, see how my house stay, see how my baby mannerably ask me if me discipline my baby. I say yes. They ask how. I say, I take away her toys, I punish her. And if she continues, I whoop her. The girl look at me and say, okay, DCF is not against whooping as long as you don't wheel them up, cut them, or broke them up.
And
They are
hit
not
them
against beating. Yeah, they are not
below the
against
waist.
beating. And they know the cases where they see people are trying to be malicious. They know. They are not stupid.
But they would go and do investigation as many times as you
Yes, they
report.
do have
Yeah,
a lot
they
of friends.
do.
I have a lot of friends that do that. And them have to check from people where them have cases with. But I'm telling you, once they do their investigation and they see that it's not true, they must say a vendetta while people keep calling over and over, but you will always be under the watchful eyes of them.
Yeah, but yeah, that's the
But
thing.
them know when
Well,
people
they
are
have to
trying
open
to be malicious.
Not come
investigation.
back.
They have to open an investigation. If
Of
a
course.
one person call 1 million, they're going to open an
Yes, they are
investigation.
going to open an investigation. That I know, but I'm
It's
telling
not
you, they are
good.
going to
It's
tell you when them
it's
are
not
dropping.
good. Yeah, it's not good anyway because them are under one microscope. In a Georgia, them
Me
call it
just said that. Me
defects.
just said that you will always be
In
under the
a
watchful
Georgia, they
eye, but
call
them
it
not stupid.
they call it defects in a Georgia
Them not
because
stupid. And they think them not listen
them
to
no
the
wants. But okay, but CPS, don't check your phone. Ivany text she's probation officer. Check your phone. This
it's not
proof
good
is
for
there.
none of them part. It's not good. People
They,
cannot be malicious
she
and not
do
try
it.
the
Check your
people them
phone.
somewhere. The two of them wrong.
She
We
text
cannot
she's
be malicious
probation
to each other
officer.
and other stuff like that. The
And
girl
she's probation
here get
officer tell her,
anyway.
I said, stay
She
away
end
from
up
that
going
lady.
jail with the old probation officer thing. Who not be malicious to each other and we end up
Why
sorry.
is?
We
Yeah, she text she's
sorry.
probation officer. Because she's
That's
supposed
not
to say her
good.
probation.
probation officer September again, and she texts and the probation officer texts cheese and tell cheese. Read the
That's not
text.
good.
Yeah, so
Malicious against each other now go nowhere, cause whatever you do,
The next call supposed to be September
I go pay
9.
for it.
ninth, and then look after that cheese probation
Thank you
officer
very
texts
much,
her and
Queen
texts
Salada.
her back and tell her
Thank you so
say
much.
to stay away from that lady.
Yeah. Also misspoken.
No look here, no sin no go and
Check
punishing
my
and God
hand.
is a just God, you know. So them better be careful with what them do to each other. You hear me?
God bless you.
They better be careful of what they're doing to each other.
For
And
real.
people better be
I
careful
will
of
suggest
putting
you stay
each
away
other's
from that.
children.
And
Leave
Yeah.
all of these are
do that
life
thinking
changing thing over
and
a little
argumenting.
beef. You understand? I mean, you know, this never make it at all.
I see.
All of this is life changing.
It's two of them are trying to sink them one another for what me no know.
Yeah.
Hey, you remember last year? Me have one schoolmate in man, I see him New York there, no, man.
Okay, my love.
Last year, Tanny dead, you know. Son is supposed to know where she come from, so
Oh,
last year dead, you know.
Tani? Are you
Me and I
schoolmate
used to
that
go
girl there
whole
with them?
family
Yeah.
together.
Oh, okay. Me
Me and I
hear
used to
about
go
the
whole
thing
family
there here.
together. And I
What
used
they
to
have
go
to clad?
over and over and over and over and over and over. And from me a little girl I grow Tanny always and then something there. And my mother and fear mother was good friend of Jamaica. They used to call her mother French monkey. And me I tell you from me little and I grow, my mother always a talk to her. If girl a fight her, if man a beat her, everything, she run come and back to my mother, Miss Part. My mother always a said, change your life, change your life, change your life.
She said she had to card.
No stop. Till it's look there with Tanny there. Tanny there 6'6".
Over man you take.
Over stupidness too.
This same
Over
one.
stupidness.
This same one.
Over stupidness. What whenever necessary. Don't reset the life goal.
Over man you take.
And she did say that for true, Dan.
Yeah.
What she said, Clive?
Clad.
Claude.
When woman do living work.
She's same one.
When woman do living work.
Uh-huh.
Baby. Never show me something. Me not busy with Vani and cheese. But
Don't
you know
live
what?
life that.
Yeah.
Just come and take care, baby. She always about 50 odd years old.
It's so scary when you hear yourself talk. Oh my goodness.
She's an old foot.
Me not like hear either pretty pinky. Me not like hear myself a talk.
Yeah,
Me
me
like
agree.
I think she almost 50.
A bit cringing.
yeah, me not like hear either. And you know what happened? So they like to text and they have the worst grammar. They have the worst grammar to real island vibe. They have the worst grammar when they write something to you. You have to say like, what are you saying?
Understand, and we all will be concerned in that manner. But you see, at this point in time, it's time for you to stop being like this lady. This adult is a child. She doesn't care. She knows what she's doing. Stop being as if she bring up people picnic. Take it back when people bring up fear. You go talk about you don't want to choose a picnic. You're busy. You think she busy. She wants a picnic. People are talking that y'all don't know what happens behind the internet, and we need to learn that. Listen, you see, when these cameras turn off, we don't know the life that is behind the cameras. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm gonna stop swear for people and stop going. She know and this, she know that. We don't know what they ask
swear for her because I don't know Ivany like
oh. It's as far as I'm see it, what them about them one another. That's about me come here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Me not stay here. Baby. Never show me something. Me not busy with Vani and cheese. But you know why me not follow up with Vani? You can't just come from jail to take care of your baby. To a Vani treat to be a value or a dope on the deck 1.5 hours the baby sit down there living watch TV. Nobody will have them young baby will miss your baby. You can't man 99 times me not judge her. She says she's not a good mother, but that baby not getting the care that I deserve. That
Vani baby get the care. I mean not
talking from Vani. Care what you call care.
Hold on a sexy.
Hold on, what you call care. Giving them things. Look at them, man.
Spend time. We can't because we're not one on the carry. Carry all on the sector carry. Remember, I know. We not there with her and an observer or what the snippet she show we can't formulate a comment We can't family the opinion based on look skip it, we see the look video, the look time.
Nurse Brown Ivany, baby father.
Yes, 24 hours, 24 hours, right? Even when she hear about the picnic part first, like somebody come and she said, look, oh God, she's across my baby. When just a key.
Sexy curry, hold on. You weren't there. I know so it go. I know comment no can no
It
last.
starts over Instagram, a screenshot and everything.
Your tea, man, your tea.
Listen, I heard she said, look, oh, cheese I keep
I
it
did
the
miss that.
baby
So
on a
listen
class.
to who were there. I know so it go. No.
Them say Ivany bring up the baby on class
Wake up on the
Tuesday
internet, we
first.
have dismissed that today. I know so it go.
Them say
Don't pause
Ivany.
that.
Instagram. I've
One
only
second.
Instagram this
Don,
start from.
pause that 1 second. Pause that 1 second. That's the thing when we cannot take, with people, yeah. People who was there at traffic, how we going on. Then all listen to
Yeah, putting in the comment section what you think about that. It's like, boy. I don't know why people problems become people problems, That's what I say. Anyway, people, I'm not going to listen along. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bliss.